Welcome to Delphi's IELTS program. The IELTS, also known as the International English Language Testing System, is an exam that tests your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills in the English language. The IELTS is so important because it opens up so many opportunities for those who pass this exam. Not only is this credential recognized by countries like the UK, the US, Canada, and many others, but many international universities and governments require applicants to possess a certain level of English fluency to enroll in programs or immigrate to other countries. So, if you're thinking of taking your education or career to the next step, the IELTS is definitely the way to go. Why study at Delphi Star Training Institute? At Delphi Star Training Institute, we provide excellent training materials, online or face-to-face classes with expert instructors, and a flexible learning environment with practice questions and recorded videos available online 24/7. Additionally, we are a British Council approved training center with a high pass percentage and provide training packages with a high value for money. We are here at Delphi to bring out the best in you. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description box to register with us and boost your chances of success.